A legal showdown over San Jose's use of automated license plate reader cameras is underway. This past week, a Santa Clara County judge considered whether a lawsuit challenging the readers could go forward or not. He asked both sides to answer one key question. Do drivers have a reasonable expectation of privacy when their cars travel on public roads? Maddie White explains why the answer could have implications that go well beyond San Jose.
California has a law that limits how police can collect, keep, and share license plate camera data. This lawsuit says San Jose broke that law and violated people's privacy rights under the Constitution. It's the first major legal test of a crime-fighting tool used in cities around the Bay Area, with nearly 500 license plate reader cameras now scattered across San Jose. A judge is weighing how much privacy do you give up when you drive on a public street.
Police should not simply be able to follow where our cars are. It's not just about whether or not someone has committed a crime. It's about whether you want the government in your business.
Two advocacy groups, the Council on American Islamic Relations and the Electronic Frontier Foundation, filed a lawsuit challenging San Jose's automated license plate reader cameras.
We are asking the court to require that police get a warrant before searching the data.
The plaintiffs say searching automated license plate reader databases is similar to tracking cell phone locations, which the Supreme Court says requires a warrant. The city of San Jose argues there's no reasonable expectation of privacy on public roads, citing a California appeals court decision that allowed police to access traffic camera footage of a murder suspect without a warrant. The judge in San Jose says he's been leaning towards the city's argument, but wants to see more research.
Well, we're very gratified that he called for further briefing. It's an uphill battle, of course, because he said that he was inclined to grant the city's motion, but we're hopeful that he will reconsider.
Legal analyst Stephen Clark says today was a procedural win for San Jose.
The court essentially said you need to start over and allege more facts.
Mayor Matt Mahan's office released a statement saying, quote, "We appreciate the court's careful consideration and today's tentative ruling in the city's favor. San Jose remains committed to using public safety tools responsibly. But the bigger privacy question is far from settled."
It's going to be an important battle between law enforcement and the right of privacy and where you draw the line.
San Jose police say they recently reduced their data retention window from 1 year to 30 days, but concerns remain about what the tech is able to reveal about our movements and patterns over time.
What medical appointments you're going to, whether you're going to a gun store to buy a gun.
Police declined an interview, but said the technology helps them solve crimes, recover stolen cars, and find missing people, adding, quote, "Any sharing of the data must meet defined policy requirements, be directly tied to a legitimate investigative purpose, and comply with all applicable laws and oversight requirements."
Whatever ruling this judge makes, this will likely be appealed to a higher court to decide whether this case does violate citizens' right of privacy or not.
The judge said he'd likely be able to make a decision within the next few months. Back to you.